The Daily Sniper Discord has a 50% off deal right now for a 1-week membership, guys. It's $12 for the entire month. It's $40. Use code YouTube at checkout to save yourself 50%. What is going on, traders? We guys crushed it today. I would just like to apologize in advance. Something is going wrong with this camera right now. I don't know what it is. So I'm just going to keep going with it, okay? So I'm going to be going over the trades we ended up taking today. Today ended up being a phenomenal day for myself. In the morning, we had a massive key level of 550. I wasn't trusting the SPY. I wasn't trusting shorting 550. So I was telling the Discord, I'm not trusting it. I'm not buying it. I'm not buying it. Shout out to Dimitri who ended up buying it. I personally didn't buy it. We came back down to support at 548.99, 549. Came back down to it, guys. I ended up buying the low of the day today. The absolute low of the day today. I brought 548 calls disgustingly in the money. I made over 60 cents a contract for my runners. I crushed it today. Massively green. Over $8,000 on the day. And now I'm going to tell you something that a lot of people wouldn't tell you, but I'm very transparent with my community. I don't like lying. I don't like boosting. I flipped red. Yeah, idiot, right? Big freaking L. Why? Why did I enter shorts? You see this key level, 552, and then 551.46? You see the head and shoulders that was coming? We had a nice freaking head and shoulders, man. Like, this was beautiful at the high of the day. And this is why I tell people don't trade shapes. I don't trade shapes. I just saw a resistance at a key level, and it was a head and shoulders, and it was a break of structure. So I ended up getting in 500 contracts of 552 puts. I got smoked. I was up 8K, and now I'm down 5. Yep. That easy. 13K. I lost 13K in this move. I'm an idiot. I made $8,000 on the day. And I'm only telling you this, guys, because as a professional day trader, I make mistakes up to this day. I get greedy. I get bored, right? I make so much money so freaking quickly. I just get bored on the day. Today, I made 8K before 10 a.m. Eastern time. 30 minutes in the market open, I was up 8,000 USD. And the longer I was sitting on the computer, my friends are getting in trades. I start FOMOing in. And I flipped red. And I don't want anyone to feel sorry for me. I deserve the L. I was an idiot. And this is something you're going to be fighting with your entire trading career. That your discipline matters. You need to buy the best setups at the best prices or do not trade. And once you hit a trade, you have to leave for the day. Unfortunately, I own a company that has to be updating a massive community, and then I'm staring at a chart and I see good setups and I went red. And it happens. I didn't have to tell you guys that. I'm just honest with you guys, right? I went up 8K and now I'm down 5. Lost 13K on this trade like a freaking idiot. But that was me. During the live stream, I was rocking it this morning. I couldn't lose. Every trade, I think I entered 4 trades today. Every trade was a winner. Every single trade was a winner. I do this live on live stream every day, guys. I'm not typing shit in the chat. I'm explaining and walking through trades. And I killed it this morning. And I flipped red. So that happens. Now, let's look forward to tomorrow. Actually, I just wanted to show you guys one thing. So today at 12:30 p.m. Eastern time, we are going to 554 in my opinion. I was telling everyone, do not short. Do not short this. Look where we're trading at right now. We're pretty much at 554. We almost hit 554 today. I knew the trend was bullish from the get-go. I knew the trend was bullish. That's why I did not buy puts at 550. It did work for a full point. It was a good trade. I personally didn't think the morning trade would work, but it ended up working. I was bullish. Higher highs, higher lows. The jobs report came in wicked. It beat on every aspect, right? I knew this going into today. SPY's bullish. SPY's not only bullish on the macro, the data that just came in is extremely bullish. I knew not to short. And that's why I ended up buying calls at the freaking low day today, because that was my bias. And that's what happens when you overtrade. You go from green to red. You need to buy the best setups at the best prices, take your money and leave. Now, what are we looking at for tomorrow? Simple. 554.48 and 554. This is the zone I'm shorting, right? I actually swung puts today. I don't alert my risky swing puts to the Discord, but I am in a swing put position right now. I gave myself time, guys. I have a couple weeks. And in this gap right here is the gap that's going to make SPY die. If SPY dies, we're looking for a lower high right now. This could make a higher high, but SPY's so overextended. I ended up getting 553 puts for the late of August. That's what I personally ended up doing. I could be wrong, right? I didn't go in heavy, but I still have a great size position because I'm buying heavy resistance on the macro time frame. The micro is bullish. The macro is still technically bearish until we break over 554. So I shorted the mid 553s and I'm holding that. So moving forward to tomorrow, 553.49 or 553.78 to 554.50. This is my short range. Where am I going to be buying calls? I'm not. I'm sorry, I'm not buying calls. We're way too extended right now. I'm not going to be buying calls. If we get lucky, 547.50, I'll buy calls. That's how bearish I am right now. And I have every right to be bearish because SPY's been blowing through massive freaking levels and not retesting them, right? And the market is extremely overbought. We went from extremely oversold to extremely overbought in such a short period of time. We're freaking 10 points away from all-time highs, right? SPY's gonna dip. And I think 555 puts is where it's at. That's what I think. And that's my game plan for tomorrow. Sniper University. We have 3 options right now. We have $25 a week. With the 50% deal, ends up being $12. We have an $80 membership, monthly membership. With the 50% off, ends up being $40. And then we have the Sniper University, which is no discount on that, guys. If you would like to be part of the best options Discord around, guys, I live stream every single day with Dimitri. We don't just talk to talk, we back it up. We're in the chat all day, live streaming, talking you through each and every play. If you'd like to be a part of the Daily Sniper, wap.com/Daily Sniper. Use code YouTube in capital letters, YouTube, to save 50% off. I'll see everyone tomorrow. Take care, guys.